What's up, YouTube? It's Thanksgiving Day. I'm taking a little break and thought I would ask a question. I've got a customer who wants and has requested a dry powdered compound carpet cleaning. And she's a longtime customer. She has a couple of area rugs that are kind of a synthetic, they're not wool. But anyway, I was thinking the Sebo Duo, which I still have. I don't like using it with wet moisture, but I was thinking it might work the original way. And I've come across this Capture carpet and rug dry cleaner, which is a powdered compound, which I guess they refer to it as little sponges that get worked into the fibers. There's a pre-mist, it shows here. You sprinkle the powder on, you brush it in, which we'd be using the Sebo, which would do a much better job, and then vacuum it out. Says you can do carpets, rugs, and upholstery. And I'm just thinking maybe I'll bring my Vac Master with the 2-stage vac and suck all the powder out. And they do show a picture here where it shows it locks onto the stain and traps them, and the whole concept sounds reasonable. And I would think with the Sebo, the CRB, the counter rotating brushes you see there, that it would really work that in, and then I wouldn't have a problem cleaning out the brushes because it's simply a powder. So, and then of course, like I said, the Vac Master, definitely high pressure to suck up the powder, because I've been looking online and they say that a lot of people are having difficulties removing all of the powder. So that wouldn't be a problem with the Vac Master. Chime in the comments below if you've got any input here. Hope everyone's having a fantastic Thanksgiving Day. Enjoy it, be around family, keep that thanks and giving spirit, and I'll see you in the next episode. And don't forget to like and subscribe.